Hello, Mema Wakwaba, Battery Classroom, Midinde Kwejo. Today is the last session for our personal pronouns, that is three personal pronouns. We have already done I, you, they, and then he or she. And today we are going to add we and then you all, that is you plural. But before we begin, please support this channel by subscribing, recommending, and sharing this video to family and friends so that you can get people to speak Twi with them. Medase. Let's begin with we. That is yen, yen, or ye. Yen or ye. As we learned in the previous lesson, the same rule applies here. We use yen if it is not directly followed by a verb. So now, let's see some example. Fa breyen, fa breyen, fa breyen. Mayen sika, mayen sika. Mayen aduane, mayen aduane. Yenso betumi aye. Yenso betumi aye. Good. Now let's look at how to use ye, which means we. Now we use the ye if it is directly followed by a verb. And as I said in the previous video, in Twi we write the pronoun and the verb together if the verb comes immediately after the pronoun. And then we combine the two. So let's look at an example. Yefiri Gaana, Yefiri Gaana. Yete Nkran, Yete Nkran. Yeka Twi, Yeka Twi. Yepe nkate, Yepe nkate. Good. Now let's move on to you plural or you all, and that is mo. Mo. So let's look at the usage. Mufrehe, mufrehe. Motehe, motehe. Mudi emotuo dabiara. Mudi emotuo dabiara. Mowofie, mowofie. Good. And please don't forget, if you have any question or comment, kindly put it in the comment section. And if you want to have one-on-one session with me, just put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe and help me to grow this channel. Medasi bebre.